Turbo, come here, Turbo. Get back in there.
Here, Terps.
Get back in there. Go on, Turbo. Get in there. Yo.
Oh. No, we got Turbo in. Yeah.
You guys.
What?
I lost my group.
You're like a pig in the mud, aren't you?
No.
That's a good boy.
Wash your pants off.
You got lots of mud, didn't you?
Yeah, I washed my boots now.
Is it cold?
No, I'm just good.
Want me to help you?
No, I am good.
You got it?
I feel them on my boots.
Yeah? You're going to fill them up, huh?
Big and big. Big and big water.
What is it?
Are they clean? I see some mud on the side.
No,
You
Can you
bet.
get it?
no.
No?
I cleaned it. All done.
Hey, I still see mud on your boots.
No.
Wash it off there.
I just did.
I see it though.
You want me this?
Are you going to watch that now?
Now I clean on the floor.
You can clean that all up?
It's in the wash. I'm cleaning your gator. I'm cleaning your gator.
He's going to clean the gator, Papa.
Come on, you make me see here so I can wash it. Come on, you make
What's
me
up?
wait.
Hey, why don't you wash this? Hey, remember this dirt you threw up on here?
Yeah.
Why don't you wash that off there? Remember throwing that at me? That wasn't very nice, was it?
No.
I told you got to clean it, didn't I?
I know, I have to clean it. Yeah.
Are your feet cold?
Well, not yet.
Not
No.
yet. He said not yet.
I got a clean gator too. I cleaned this gator.